Labor Day is coming on Monday, September 5, and the best Labor Day appliances sales are already on the horizon, with generous savings expected from all top appliance retailers, including Amazon, Samsung, Walmart, Lowe's, and many more. Even better, a handful of Labor Day appliance sales have already kicked off. We have listed the best Labor Day appliance sales of 2022, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all deals mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Winter 14,000 BTU dual hose portable air conditioner for $444.99, 26% off. This air conditioner was named the best overall portable air conditioner because of its dual hose system helps cool down the room quicker and efficiently. And as an added bonus, it also works as a heater and dehumidifier. Dyson Ball Multifloor Origin Upright Vacuum for $294.99, 34% off. Dyson vacuum sales are few and far between. One of their tried and true models, the Dyson Multi-Wall Floor Origin, is currently 34% off for a discount of $155, which is not to be missed because we rarely see Dyson vacuums discounted more than $100 off the original price. This vacuum cleaner effortlessly steers thanks to Dyson's signature ball axle and glide across different floor types with ease. It works best on carpet and laminate flooring, but it's great for wood floors too. Small kitchen appliances. Ninja Nutri Blender was $59, now at $24 at Walmart. Not all appliances cost over $500. This 600-watt blender can easily blend fruits, veggies, and ice into delicious drinks. You can blend straight into the 20-ounce Ninja To Go cups, then simply snap on a spout lid to enjoy your smoothies and shakes on the go. Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven XL 20 liters was $199, now at $139 at Amazon. This toaster oven from Chefman comes with 9 cooking functions including bake, air fry, toast, convection bake, slow cook, bagel, broil, warm, and dehydrate, so the recipe possibilities are endless. You can set the temperature yourself from 200 to 450 degrees, and the large 20-liter capacity can fit a whole roast chicken, so it's great for family dinners. Ninja Foodie XL Pressure Cooker Steam Fryer with Smart Lid was $329, now at $269 at Amazon. If you're looking for a new pressure cooker, then look no further. The Ninja OL601 model offers a huge range of 14 cooking functions, including steam and crisp, air fry, bake roast, sear, sous vide, and slow cook to name a few. The large 8-quart pot will easily feed a family of 4 with a useful smart lid slider design. You can easily switch between functions. You get a useful recipe book included as well. Ninja Foodie 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fryer Oven was $329, now at $265 at Amazon. This toaster oven from Ninja was one of the best we've tested. It claims to rival a full-size convection oven, and we saw little reason to disagree. It bakes and roasts well, makes perfect toast, and you can cook on multiple levels at once, which is very useful. The controls are all contained on the handle, saving you space, and the accessories are dishwasher safe too. Ninja AF101 4-quart Air Fryer for $94.99, 27% off. Ninja's AF101 Air Fryer was named the best overall air fryer of 2022 because of its ease of use and because it made food the crispiest in the shortest amount of time. This air fryer can remove moisture when you use it as a dehydrator and can go as low as 105 degrees. Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender for $199.95, 28% off. We rank the Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender as the best blender for smoothies in 2022. It has settings for both regular smoothies and cream smoothies, both of which produce silky smooth juice bar quality results in about 1 minute. It's easy to clean too. The jar and lid are both dishwasher safe. Cuisinart 5.5 quart stand mixer for $199.88, 20% off. Cuisinart stand mixer stood up to another stand mixer you may know in our test, earning the title of the best multi-purpose stand mixer thanks to its 12-speed settings that are easy to select with the turn of a dial. It's already a fraction of the price of aforementioned other stand mixer, and now even cheaper during Amazon Labor Day sale. Philips 3200 series fully automated espresso machine with Latte Go for $789, 21% off. If you've been considering purchasing an espresso machine, Labor Day would be a great time to pull the trigger. There are so many models on sale on Amazon right now, but our favorite option for first-time owners is the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine. Air Purifiers. Kobe Air Mega AP1512HH True HEPA Air Purifier was $229, now at $198 at Amazon. Our top-ranked air purifier is currently 26% off and back in stock. It suits smaller rooms up to 361 square feet, but don't let its size fool you. It still comes with 3 fan speeds as well as an eco setting and an ionizing function. There's a useful air quality indicator light on top and a handy timer function too. It's a great price for a top performer. Renpho Air Purifier was $369, now at $129 at Walmart. This air purifier can clean rooms up to 301 square feet and comes with 3 speeds, plus an auto mode thanks to the built-in sensor. There's also a useful sleep mode, which operates in the night at a much quieter level, as well as a child lock making it suitable for a kid's room. Honeywell HEPA air purifier was $269, now at $249 at Amazon. The Honeywell HEPA air purifier is a good value pick among air purifiers. It has among the highest CADR ratings for smoke, dust, and pollen of the units we recommend, and it can filter slightly larger rooms effectively. It also has 4 speeds, a programmable timer, and adjustable control panel lights. Large kitchen appliances. Hisense French door refrigerator was $1,199, now at $999 at Lowe's. If you're looking for a new fridge, Lowe's has one of the best Labor Day sales around. For a limited time, you can get Hisense French door refrigerator for $999. The stainless steel fridge features 14.8 cubic feet overall capacity, 2 full-width freezer drawers, full-width pantry drawer, and an intuitive display that lets you control each compartment's temperature. Samsung Smart Freestanding Gas Range was $1,149, now at $1,028 at Home Depot. Samsung has made quite a few appliances on this list. That's because they're offering some of the best deals. The gas range oven is no exception. It offers air fry and convection settings, which are useful for healthy cooking or if you want even more results. It connects to Wi-Fi, so you can monitor it remotely, and it holds an impressive 6 cubic feet capacity, ideal for upcoming holiday season. LG Top Freezer Refrigerator was $888, now at $699 at Best Buy. This deal slices the cost of this compact 20.2 cubic feet top freezer model. This 30-inch wide fridge has a humidity-controlled crisper and full-width gallon door bins. The black and white models are available for $699, while the stainless steel version is $799. Washing machines. Samsung Washer Dryer Sale, 35% off at Samsung. Samsung is taking 35% off select washer and dryer sets. To receive the discount, you must purchase a washer and dryer together or purchase a washer-dryer set. Many units are already up to $700 off. Samsung front-load washing machine was $949, now at $728 at Home Depot. This 27-inch washing machine has a 4.5 cubic foot capacity, is ENERGY STAR certified, and has a vibration reduction technology to keep it from making too much noise. The Self-Clean Plus technology eliminates 99% of bacteria and has 10 preset washing cycles, 6 additional washing options, and 5 temperature levels. It's one of the best Labor Day appliance sales around. LG Wash Tower with front-load washer plus electric dryer was $2,499, now at $1,979 at Home Depot. This LG package is an incredible savings. In a sleek single-unit design, it offers more space for an organized utility room. In addition, it has a large capacity, an easy-reach LED control panel, and is smart-enabled to offer more flexibility. LG Styler's Steam Clothing Care System was $1,999, now at $1,349 at Best Buy. The Steam Closet is the perfect appliance to buy if you're looking to treat yourself. It comes in use for sanitizing awkward laundry items such as suit jackets and silk gowns. It comes in dark brown, white, or with a mirror finish and will take your laundry room to the next level for sure. So that wraps up our list of the best Labor Day appliance sales of 2022. Hope you found the video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestions for future videos, and questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Legit Pick family. We've got lots of more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.